This is the 7th lecture in the series on the presence of Black people in the Bible. In this lecture, we intend to bring more evidence in the historical association between Africa and the Bible. Our focus will be on the location of the Garden of Eden. Questions have been asked by millions of people who desire to know the exact location of the Garden of Eden and its significance in the history of humanity. In the text, Kemetic History of Africa, Dr. Sheikh Anta Diop writes the following words. The ancient name of Africa was Alkebulan. Alkebulan means the mother of mankind or the Garden of Eden. Alkebulan is the oldest and the only word of indigenous origin. It was used by the Moors, Nubians, Ethiopians, and others. The original name of Africa was Alkebulan. Our continent was named Alkebulan because it was the original home of all mankind. This is what the Bible refers to as the Garden of Eden. The Garden of Eden was located in Alkebulan, in the region known presently as North Africa. In the Bible, there is not one single mention of either England or Germany, but countries in old Africa are mentioned again and again. The Old Testament alone mentions Ethiopia over 40 times. Egypt is mentioned over 100 times. The picture you're looking at confirms several facts noted on it, that even the pharaohs used the term Alkebulan in reference to the Garden of Eden and the African continent. On this picture, the narrative reads, ancient Alkebulan pharaoh, Amarna period, the 18th dynasty. During his reign, one major contribution was overthrowing polytheism in favor of one single God. Let us look at the ancient map of Africa. The map you see on the screen is the old map of Africa and the Middle East. The Middle East was known as Northeast Africa and was part of the continent. The Suez Canal was created by the French people to split the continent of Africa. On this map, we see the descendants of Noah spreading across the continent of Africa. Ham occupied the central area around Ethiopia, where the words Africa Eden appear. Put occupied the region in which Mauritania and Mali are found. You can see the name Put on the map to the west of Libya. Mizraim occupied the land of Egypt, while Shem occupied northeast Africa, presently known as Saudi Arabia. Japheth occupied the part of the peninsula in the southeast of Europe near the Mediterranean. The 4 rivers mentioned early in the book of Genesis are Euphrates, Gihon, Tigris, and Pishon. These rivers are pivotal points to the location of the Garden of Eden. It is therefore correct to say that the Garden of Eden was in Africa. For we also read in the Bible that the garden was planted eastward in Eden between the Nile and the Euphrates, which is in the region known as Northeast Africa. A science scholar, Rich Deem, says, scientists have known for a number of years that the most genetically diverse human beings come from Africa. Here are some of the pictures that we will talk about in our next lecture. Adam and Eve were black. The daughter of King James was black. Ancient Chinese were black people. As I close, once more, the Bible was written by black people.